How to remove facial hair at home naturally. Facial hair growth in women is common, but excessive hair growth can cause embarrassment and irritation. The reasons include hormonal imbalance and irregular menstrual cycle. Commercial hair removal cream may strip away natural moisture and cause a gradual darkening of the skin. Other methods such as threading, tweezing, plucking, waxing of facial hair are painful processes and cause skin redness and ingrown hairs. The home remedies are safe, inexpensive, and painless way to get facial hair removed without irritating the skin. Here are the 2 effective and natural remedies to get rid of facial hair at home. Using these remedies on a regular basis also prevents future hair growth. Home remedies to remove facial hair at home. Homemade recipe number 1. Ingredients you need to prepare facial hair remover: 1 egg white, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Method and direction to use. In a bowl, whisk all the ingredients together to obtain a smooth texture. Completely clean your face with a cotton soaked in lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Apply some baby powder to the area where you want to remove facial hair. Using a soft makeup brush, apply the paste in the same direction of hair growth. Leave to dry completely. Start removing the pack in opposite direction of the hair growth. Follow this for 3 continuous days to remove facial hair completely. Other benefits: apart from removing facial hair, it also lightens skin complexion, fades away skin dullness and dark spots, smooths wrinkles and fine lines. Homemade recipe number 2. Ingredients you need to prepare natural facial hair remover: 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of honey. Method and direction to use. Combine all the ingredients in a small bowl to a smooth paste. Rinse your face with warm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Apply a thick paste in the same direction of hair growth. Leave to dry completely. Using a soft towel, gently remove the pack in opposite direction of the hair growth. Do this continuously for 4 days to remove facial hair permanently. Other benefits: it removes unwanted fine facial hair, moisturizes the skin and reveals glowing, smooth and soft skin.